Hello, this is Arthur again, and today I have my 2013 BMW X5 with 155,000 miles, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of a issue I was having with this car, and as well as few other BMWs I've had before, and the solution that I found to fixing the problem permanently, pretty much. So this car I've worked on it many times, of course, because it's my car, and I have several videos on it. If you go through my list of videos, you'll see a lot of different videos on this car, and it's been a very good car for me. I've had it for about 4.5 years, almost 100,000 miles, and we've been driving it all over. We just came back from a trip we did almost 1,000 miles, and it's time for oil change, and I'm going to go ahead and do it in this video. But first, let me show you the issue that I've been having. So I'm looking at the drain plug of the engine. The way these engines are on these BMWs, this oil pan is made out of aluminum, and sometimes the thread messes up, and then you have to fix the thread where the drain plug is. And I had that happen to this car. I fixed the hole with the larger bolt, and then it gave up again eventually. The aluminum is very soft, and it doesn't like when you do frequent oil changes, and I do like to do my oil changes every 5,000 miles. So I found this kit that comes, this drain plug. It's larger, I believe it's 18 millimeter, or it might be even 22 millimeter. So you drill a hole, you put a new thread, and then you tighten this in, and then you don't take this outer part out anymore. You just remove this inner part drain plug, and the oil comes out. Then you put a new washer and you put it back on. And this one, you can remove it if you need to. However, you don't really need to. Once this is in, unless it leaks for some reason, but I don't believe it should. It does have a O-ring in there, and it is very well insulated. I haven't had any issue. Had this on for about 15,000 miles, I would say, and it's been great. I'll link this in the description box below, and then you guys can order one if you need it. It's really good. It's about $25 or so, so it's pretty cheap as well. Okay, let me drain the oil, and then I'll show you the drain plug. So this is the package that comes. This is the brand. I don't know the part number for this, but I'll find the exact part and I'll link it in this video. So basically what you have your drain plug, which is already on the car, and you have small drain plugs that built in. You can bolt into it like this. There's one like this one that has a rubber seal over here, and the one on the car doesn't have a rubber seal, but it has a place, basically a fitting for a washer to use. And I like this one better. You can interchange this washer and then take this on and off. It's a little 6 millimeter Allen. You take it out. Takes a little bit longer for oil to drain, but a minute more maybe. It's a great solution. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the oil filter and open the cap to help the oil drain better, but before that I'm going to wipe down the engine. Okay, now I'm going to drain the oil. The drain plug is 5 millimeter Allen, and it is not much at all. It's pretty easy to remove. This is the drain plug removed. I put a new washer on it. So it's very small and thin threaded, but it works great. Okay, I'm going to put it back on the car. Next, I'm going to reset the service indicator, and the way you do it on this car is to turn on the ignition. Then you hold this button for a few seconds. One more time, hold it down. There you go. Now push again and hold it. There you go. Indicator has been reset. Alright, that's about it for this quick video. If you like the video, please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come. Thank you.